Good morning, Virginia. This is Virginia This Morning.
This Partners in Healthcare segment is sponsored by MidaLabs. And just as with healthcare, the costs of medical tests continue to rise. MidaLabs offers medical professionals the necessary tools to diagnose a patient's medical wellness more quickly and accurately. And the president of MidaLabs, Arden Bourgeois, explains. Welcome back, Arden. It's nice to see you.
Nice to see you again.
Not only are you putting tools of the trade out there that are making it accessible for both doctors and offices and patients, you're saving some serious money for folks.
We are. Right now people don't have the money like they did 3 or 4 years ago, and a lot of insurance plans don't include laboratory work as part of your wellness checkup, and so people are having to pay that out of their pocket now. And with MidaLabs, our pricing is anywhere from 50 to 80% less than the national laboratories, and those are for people that are uninsured or haven't met their deductible. For people with insurance, typically only 15% of our customers ever receive a bill.
Yeah, those are pretty astounding numbers. What is the concept of MidaLabs?
Well, the idea is that we have a locally owned, full-service, independent laboratory, and we believe we're the last independent laboratory left in the state. And so the idea is to bring some competition into our city. With competition brings better service and drives down cost.
Yeah, we visited with you a couple of months ago, and you had a very positive response after being in. A lot of people weren't aware that they could shop these kind of services.
That's right. We had people that drove in as far away as 90 miles away to come to MidaLabs to have their laboratory work done.
That's a really big deal. And you've just introduced a brand new service that is ballooning.
It is. About 90 days ago, we started offering a service for homebound patients. These are patients that might live at home or in assisted living, and they have to rely on their loved ones to pick them up and bring them to get their lab services done. And a lot of these people don't have a loved one to pick them up and do that. And so about 90 days ago, we launched a new program. And since then, we've picked up about 30 physicians, over 600 patients that we go to their home, we do their lab work, and within hours, the physician has the results.
That's pretty astounding, in that you're going out to folks who have probably not been able to do this in quite some time.
Yes, we have physicians that tell us, I haven't had results on this patient for a year or two because they just cannot get to the laboratory or to the hospital to get their blood work done. And now we've got them on a routine. We go out every 3 or 4 months. Whenever the physician needs results, we go out, we draw those labs, and we get them the results within hours. Because
this is kind of a new concept in that you can shop this around, how does that work when you go in and you're visiting with your doctor, you have your appointment, and then you're coming out and you're ready to do some testing, or they've recommended testing?
Well, you have what's called a requisition form. They give it to you, and typically you would maybe go to the place that you would normally go to, but with MidaLabs in town, you can take that requisition form to us. We draw the blood, we do the work, and we send the results within hours to the physician.
And you work with the insurance as well?
We do. We take the private insurances as well.
Fantastic. Well, great thing that you're doing, and you guys are growing by leaps and bounds. So
yes, we
look forward to catching up with you again soon.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Arden. Appreciate it. You can learn more about MidaLabs, one of your partners in healthcare, by visiting them at 1610 Forest Avenue across from Henrico Doctors, or give Arden and his team a call, 804-445-2940. And of course, you can always learn more by visiting online, MidaLabs.com.